Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at a gorgeous 1955 Chevrolet. This is a 210. It's got Bel Air trim, but it's actually a 210. Pretty car. It's finished in a burgundy metallic. It's got tan, the ultra leather interior. You can see it's got the old school louvered hood on it. A little bit of an older restoration with some modern upgrades, I'd say. It's got power 4-wheel disc brakes, tubular upper and lower control arms. Cool car. It's got a good running. It's got a 66 date coated HP 327 engine in it with the GM 202 heads. Runs out real good. 18 and 20 inch American Racing torque thrust, new rubber all the way around it. Again, slotted and drilled 4-wheel disc brakes. Car's got a good look to it. As we walk around, you can see there's some things we can kind of nitpick on it, but very nice. You know, there's some touch-up marks, but a lot of the trim, you can see they've replaced a lot of that trim. I think the old school louvered hood is pretty cool. Good looking car. It's got a rich color combo. You know, you can see, like I say, a few little touch-up marks on it, but very nice car. I own them all. I don't do consignment, and I always tell people, you know, I only buy what I would drive. And this is a cool car, man. Very nice car. You know, and it's going to be at a price point. The nice thing is you're not going to have to break the bank to buy a 55. Car straight down the sides. Good looking car, and it's clean. It's got a good solid body on it. Again, 4-wheel disc brakes. There's a little scratch there. I saw that when I was buying the car. Sorry guys, got a little wax on there. Get that off. I rush them sometimes. I'm actually leaving town here in a couple hours, so wanted to get this car shopped before I left town. Again, 66 date coated, 327 HP engine, Edelbrock 4-barrel. It's got a Weiand intake. It does have the GM 202 headers, power steering, power 4-wheel disc brakes, tubular upper and lower control arms on it, so it drives out good, nice and tight. I know that we got to get the speedo fixed. It was working, and it stopped actually when we were driving it, and it's actually in the speedo head, but unfortunately Scott's speedometer, they're on vacation this week, so we'll get it in next week and get it fixed. Trim's nice. Door handles are nice. New sill plates. Bench seat. Got Headliner's nice. It's got tilt column with a sports steering wheel. Showing 65,000, guys. I'm assuming that's not original. It's got some aftermarket gauges underneath here. Like I say, we will get that speedo fixed. Aftermarket AM/FM radio. It's got Flowmaster dual exhaust, just a stock rear end, no big gear or anything like that. They have finished the trunk compartment here. Good looking car. And the car's nice underneath. We got it up on the hoist, got some pictures of the bottom for you. Jay fired up. Good running 327. Car's got a good look. I love 55s, man. 55s are my favorite, man. I love these cars. I love that front grille. Fuel gauge does work up there. Again, all your gauges down here are functional. You can hear the radio in there working. Good running car. Radio works. Blower motor? Yep. Blower motor does work. Doors open and close, nice. Wipers work. That's a real plus on a 55. Normally they do not work. Yeah, and make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook page. Or as always, guys, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. Car sits good, got a good sound. Well, you just can't beat a 55. These cars just got a good look. Have a great day, guys.